I do see people, Tecno fans complaining about the Helio G99 processor on this device. I don't know why Tecno still give us the Helio G99 processor, but let's just talk about the specifications of this device in general. Hey guys, it's Chancellor here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about the newly announced device from Tecno, which is the Tecno Pova 5. Yeah, Tecno Pova 5 was literally announced and introduced by Tecno on the 29th of June 2023, and I was curious about the Pro and the 5G version of this device. I didn't see anything like that, though there is a Free Fire edition of this device. I do see people, Tecno fans complaining about the Helio G99 processor on this device. I don't know why Tecno still give us the Helio G99 processor, but let's just talk about the specifications of this device in general. First off, the design. Tecno Pova 5 comes with an innovative design that is aesthetic. I wasn't even surprised though, because I knew Tecno will always come up with innovative design in every of their Pova series devices, just like the Pova 2, 3 and 4 series, right? Now let's talk about the display of this device. Tecno Pova 5 comes with 6.78-inch IPS LCD panel, 120Hz high refresh rate with a resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels. The chipset powering the device is the MediaTek Helio G99 octa-core processor. It is a 6nm Reton process and it is a gaming processor, just like what we had in its predecessor, the Tecno Pova 4. So technically, we should expect same gaming experience and system performance in the Tecno Pova 5. I'm literally expecting the Tecno Pova 5 Pro version and probably the 5G model to provide the Dimensity 8050 5G chipset. That would be cool on those, right? Just let me know down below in the comment section. Tecno Pova 5 comes with an internal memory storage of 8GB RAM and 256GB of ROM, and also it runs on Android 13 based on iOS 13. There is no major upgrade on the camera of the Tecno Pova 5. Yeah, it still comes with same 50MP rear camera like its predecessor and 0.08MP depth sensor. The cameras can record videos up to 2K resolution at 30fps. On the front of this device, it comes with a point-show selfie camera of 8MP. The Tecno Pova 5 comes with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, and also it houses a large battery capacity of 6000 mAh that supports 45W fast charge. You can now see a whole day on a single charge, and it can carry your day-to-day activities without lagging. The Pova series are always known for larger battery capacity. The price of this smartphone is not yet announced, but you can turn on your notification bell and stay tuned for that. And also, please don't forget to subscribe. It means a lot to me. It is literally free and it won't cost you anything at all. So guys, here comes the end of the investigation video for the Tecno Pova 5. Just let me know what you think about this device on the comment section. Thanks for watching and see you all as always. Peace.